What's up, guys? Today this one's going to be pretty short, but we're going to be talking about the Pitbull TRS trailer restraint system, going over the install and how freaking sweet this thing actually is. If this is your first time here, welcome. If not, welcome back. So for any of you guys that ever trailer your bike, this thing is a must. So previously my system was to ratchet strap the whole bike, you know, strap the front down, do all that mess. But a buddy of mine was like, man, you got to check out this TRS system. It will make your life so much easier. So that's what we've got here. I'm going to show you how it works and how easy this thing is to install. So obviously the first thing you've got to do is install this mounting bracket. This is the base plate. So these little arms essentially slide into place underneath here. These can be removed, so you can leave the bracket on the trailer if you use it as like a utility trailer. You don't want these hooks in the way, but they're very easy to remove. These are spring-loaded pins. You just pull up on them and they slide out of place. So regarding the system, looks pretty simple, right? So you get these two pins. They are bike specific, so you got to go on either STG or Pitbull's website, pick out the pins that you need. I think to buy the pins, I want to say it's a little over $100. The whole system is about $380 if I remember correctly. But yeah, so essentially what you're doing is you're taking these pins, they fit into each side of a hollow axle bike. So this side's thicker than the other. You put the bigger pin in that side, thinner pin goes in the other side, coming around to the other side. I've got my cotter pin in here, just pull that out. That makes room for the pin to go in, and I'll show you how it works. So if you've got the bike on the side stand like I do, I find it easiest to put the side that's leaned up towards the air end first, which is going to be the big pin. So that's what we'll do first. If you don't have a kickstand, if you're using a rear stand, either side works first. It doesn't really matter. So big pin in first. Here we go. Then we're going to put the little pin in just like so. Put the pin in for this guy. And then go ahead and lock that pin into place. So then you're going to come back to the other side, lock this pin into place. Just like that. Now if you're using a rear stand, you can use this supplied bungee cord to latch this onto something so it hangs upright while you're getting the bike moved around. I'll show you how that works. Since I've already got the bike in position, I'm going to go ahead and undo that bungee cord and then back it up till it snaps into place, and then I'll show you how to lock it down. It really is as easy as that. So once you've done that, you just stick the safety pins back into place just like so. Then obviously do the other side, and that's it. Honestly, it takes maybe 2 minutes to do the entire thing. Once you've got it in place, I'll show you how stable it is. Thing's not going anywhere. That's really it. Just wanted to show you guys how the system works. Like I said, for you track guys, if you want to save yourself collectively probably an hour out of your day having to deal with ratchet straps and whatnot, you really can't beat this. Yeah, you know, it's expensive, but buy once, cry once, right? And the other plus too, you know, when you ratchet strap the front end down, you put a lot of strain on those front forks, and over time those seals will blow. So this kind of keeps all the pressure off that, keeps the bike very stable. I mean, it's not going anywhere. If you're still here, thanks for watching. Hopefully next time I'll be back out at the track. And just FYI, I did not get paid to do this. This is not a sponsored video. I just was blown away by this product and just wanted to put it out there for those of you who don't know that something like this actually exists.